Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Adobe Creative Cloud libraries to After Effects projects, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Ensure you are logged into your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Navigate to the window menu. Select Libraries from the drop-down options. The Libraries panel will appear, showing your available assets. To add assets, click on the Add Assets button within the panel. Choose the appropriate library that contains the assets you want to use. Browse through the assets in the selected library. Drag and drop any needed asset directly into your After Effects project. You can also right-click on an asset and select Add to Project. Once added, the asset will appear in your project panel. To use the asset, simply drag it onto your timeline. Adjust the asset as needed for your composition. To update an asset in the library, make changes in the library itself. After saving, those changes will reflect in your After Effects project. Explore the options for organization within the Libraries panel. Utilize folders and libraries to keep your assets organized. Remember to regularly sync your libraries to ensure all assets are up to date. Once you're done, save your After Effects project to secure your work. Now you're equipped to streamline your workflow using Adobe Creative Cloud libraries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.